Now let's see how to calculate the IRR using Excel. There is a very simple formula, equals IRR, open the brackets, then select your cash flows from year 0 onwards. So in the NPV, I told you to select the cash flows from year 1 onwards. In IRR, you have to select the cash flows from year 0 onwards, then close the brackets and hit enter. So for this particular question, the IRR is 9.88%. Let me show you the formula again. Equals IRR, open the brackets, select the cash flows from year 0 onwards, then close the brackets and hit enter. This is how you can calculate the IRR using Excel within few seconds. Now let's see how to calculate the NPV using Excel. The formula that you have to use is equals NPV. Open the brackets. First you will have to select the rate. So the rate that I have taken is 6%. Then you have